consequence. You won't explain, no confess. Mission unaccomplished. Mission unaccomplished. Mission unaccomplished. Mission unaccomplished.
Knows no shame and takes no blame. This simple time sees everything. He's only satisfied to point out others' mistakes. Never afraid to use his pride. His tradition is old, his faith a hand-me-down. The family, he wears them on his sleeve around that value left under a Christmas tree. He once had the gift, this image in his grandparents' eyes. No gun, no drug, no rape, no end. This vacant soul is pale and blue in an empty gaze. His crow's feet are a vision of defeat. Sick and tired of the meaninglessness, the irrational. He desensitizes every need and emotion. A cup half empty, but full of euphoria. He's searching for the light switch in the dark to switch his routine, to find a reason. kills ya now. Let it all out. I used to let rumors do my work. They got around real well. Now they only heard it's liar's quirk. This time I've gotta say it straight. I need to do some good. I'm calling out your name while the chance remains. Dark secrets burn their vessel. Tear it out to grab a mouthful. Chunk of heart destroyed by quiet. Yell it out before it kills ya now. Let it all out. I want you. I want you. I want you. Want you. So now you know where I come from. My secrets come undone. My heart reveals my cause. I'm lying naked at your feet. Don't crush the heart that beats. Take me at my word. It may sound absurd. I want you. I want you. I want you. Story, it grows older. Story is no story here. I never knew what it is. There's no sign of it ending. 'Cause I am it and ought to be. They're telling me I am. They're telling me I am. They're telling me I am. Holy race car driver. Superficial hit and you're on the list at every door. You don't follow race fast cars. Competition, you drive. Just because I don't go to the church where you reside, I might as well forget it. The 90s won't be back again till I'm 48 years old.
a punk, sad and hating everyone. Your excuses, all the way you felt has left you hating yourself. 'Cause everyone is so confused, but you never work for a cent. It's self-destructive, you pay your debt, 'cause you miss another time when all your friends were so divine. Now all of them have gone or changed. Do you still live in angry days? Do you still live in angry days? If you lost someone you love, if your mask was taken off, does life cut you down to size? Does it open up your eyes? 'Cause they all have found their way as you struggle through your maze. You built the walls of hate. Don't tell me it's too late, 'cause everyone is so confused, so confused. But you never work for a cent. It's self-destructive, you pay your debt, 'cause you miss another time when all your friends were so defined. Now all of them have gone or changed. Do you still live in angry days? Do you still live in angry days? Do you still live in angry days? Can you grow out of senseless hate? Senseless hate.
Cyclone